Is your BMW 7 Series refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay or dropping the signal mid-drive? Statistically, 80% of these connectivity headaches can be fixed with a few simple software resets. Let us break down the troubleshooting process step by step. Start by performing a hard reset of your iDrive system by holding the volume knob until the screen reboots. If that fails, check your iPhone settings for VPN conflicts or outdated iOS versions that block the handshake. Remember that CarPlay uses a Wi-Fi connection, so ensure your car's Wi-Fi antenna isn't being blocked by other devices. While most resets are DIY-friendly, head unit firmware updates are strictly dealer territory. A quick software fix saves you a hefty diagnostic fee at the service center. If issues persist, try a high-quality cable or scan for communication errors using an OBDI tool. Keep a spare Apple-certified cable in your glove box to rule out port or cord failure instantly. Always keep in mind that connectivity is a two-way street between your phone and the vehicle. If these steps didn't solve your connection issues, it is time to visit your local BMW technician. Thanks for watching.